Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is SAP Analytics Cloud Learning Series, and today I have come up with some new topic. You can say this feature we can use in stories. So today we will be having a tutorial about how hyperlinks work in SAP Analytics Cloud, like how you can use hyperlinks, if you want to, navigate to the other website or any you can say other tool within your premises, how you can use or add that URL within your story. Once you click any text box or something, and you can navigate to uh, the other external URL. Then how you can navigate from one page to another page within the story, or else how you can navigate from one story to other story within SSE. So we will be exploring this, different hyperlink types in SSE. As you can see, I'm already logged into my tenant. I created a one story for this demo. There are two pages in this story. One is a product page and second is a product details. Uh, and first in the first page I created a normal bar chart. I'm using the backend as the SAC sample models like best run. So I created a normal chart like quantity sold per product. In x-axis the products are there and the quantity sold. Okay. And in the next page, I have some tabular format data. There are two tables on the next page. In the first tabular format, for each product, the store related data and all the account information. And there is a one more table, similarly, all the account details and location wise, bifurcation, like for each location, how much quantity sold and every other account information. So this is my story. Now I will create a hyperlinks, uh, which will navigate from one page to other, a story to other story, or any external URL. So now this is the chart. I'll just select the chart. Then there will click on the three dots, more actions and more options. Then add, and there is an option of hyperlink. So once you click a hyperlink, this tab, the side panel will open. And then link to, currently it is none because we have not added any hyperlinks. And if I select this drop down list, then there are multiple options you can select. First is the mobile app URL, then external URL, page, story, and data analyzer. So today I'll select a page because I want to, navigate from my first page to second page. Now the page will be, I want to navigate to next page. So here my first page is product and its next page is product details. Then I will select apply selected dimension as a filter also. And then in the filtering option, only apply selected dimension default. Then I will click on done. I will save my story. Then we will go to view. So now suppose I'm on my first page, and if I click on any of the sub products, suppose it's a lemonade, I'll just click on it, and then you can see a hyperlink, navigation like jump to next page. When I click on jump to next page, the product I selected on a previous page will be added as a filter, and only those products will be, filtered on my next page. So this is how you can use hyperlinks, like you are on a first page where you are showing, the high granular data, and you have some details page, and you can pass the filters using the hyperlinks from one page to other page. So now with this, I pass the product lemonade as a filter. So on my next page, only lemonade product details are displayed in both the tables. So this is the first use case using page hyperlink option. Now I will go back to the story. Now in the product details, I have two tables. First table is, showing me the product and the stores, and the other table is about location. Now with this store, I want to link my this page to other story. So whenever a user clicks on this story, my other detailed story should open. So in this feature, we will be using the story hyperlink. Again, you will click on three dots, then add hyperlink, link to. This time I will be using story option. Click on add story, go to stories, best run sample stories. I created one more story with the name hyperlink geomap. I'll click that, and it has only one page stores. I will click open in a new tab and apply selected dimension as a filter, and the rest options I will keep the same. I'll click done. I will save. Now again I'll view the story. So this is my first page as you saw. I select any other like Fanta, jump to next page. So now Fanta product is, this filter is applied. Now I want to select any store. Uh, let's select this W&W grocery. Click on the cell, and then you can click navigate to hyperlink geomap. Click to this. Now this has taken me. Then I'll just drill down and drill down. So this is my another story with geomap. I'll drill down, and you can see whatever store I selected on my previous story, that is previous page, WW grocery, that store filter he is applied on this my another story, hyperlink geomap. So using hyperlinks story option, even you can pass filters from one story to other story, and you can use this option for navigation. Now I will go back to my original story. Now the third option is you can hyperlink to any external URL, outside of your SAC tenant. So now this is the other table, product detail report, where I'm showing, all the account information against each location. So I will be adding a external URL of Wikipedia. So this is the Wikipedia page related to each location. I'll just copy the link. Then I'll go to my story. Just a second. I'll just copy a link of Wikipedia page. Click on this. So this is the, I'll go to my story. Again, select the table, three dots, add hyperlink, link to external URL. I'll place the URL. Now here we can't hard code any value India. So I'll just remove this, and then I want to add this location dimension, then open in new tab. Label also you can add, then click on done. So now you can see my location, is showing the hyperlink. I will click on save. Now I will again view the story. I'll just directly go to the next page. So now if I drill down California, and there are multiple, and if I click on Los Angeles, so in a new tab, the Los Angeles wiki page will open. I'll go back to my story again. Let's select any other. I'll drill down Oregon, Eugene. So you can see a Wikipedia Eugene, link has opened. So this is how you can, use the hyperlinks for any external URLs. And within the tables, you don't get hyperlink option for data analyzer, as you see, if I select three dots and add, so a new hyperlink, we have only these options like mobile URL, external page and story. And if you have added any like chart widget, then you get option of a data analyzer also, because then you can link this widget to more tabular information. Even you can link it to any data analyzer, like if you have created any insight in the data analyzer, you can link that also. So these are the three ways how you can use hyperlinks in SSC. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this content, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more like a very handful tutorials like this. Thank you.